Welcome back to the channel, guys. 297 Mods here, back with another video for you today. And in today's video we have a partnership with a company called Vvash. Now, a few weeks ago I was actively looking for a wheel cleaner so I can wash and clean the wheels off my wide-body Dodge Challenger Scatback. Now, there's a lot of competition out there and I was looking through some reviews and videos, and this company stood out for their specific wheel cleaner, Vvash. So I placed an order with them. I've been talking to them and we actually came to an arrangement. So if you guys want to use this product, which if I'm uploading this video means the product is working and I'm actually recommending it, and you're gonna get a discount code called 297 mods. So I will leave the link down into the description. Now let's do the unboxing part, see what comes up, and then we'll take the Challenger out for a wash. Now, let's see. Wow, I was really looking for this one. It's a ceramic shampoo. If you guys didn't know, my car has been ceramic coated when it had less than 100 miles. So I'm really stoked to have, for the first time, a ceramic shampoo, which is basically soap for a ceramic car. So never used one of those before. This other product I was also very looking for, PTR, plastic trim and rubber. I'll be using this actually in this video because we're gonna shine the wheels with it. So this one for today. I actually got this from them, so I'll be using and putting it to the test. I typically use something else, but I don't really clean my interior that much. Maybe I will get motivated and do it nowadays. And this is what we're looking for, the ultimate wheel cleaner. I read really good things about it, saw some good videos from it, so we're gonna put it to the test. We got two of these nozzles and a decal. Perfect. So let's take the Challenger out and let's clean the wheels. Okay guys, we're here at the back wheels. I don't have ceramic brake pads on these back wheels like I did on the front, so I just washed it and the car was not necessarily that dirty on the front part, but let's see how it does here on the back so I can have like a better image for you guys how this product works. So you have to spray, I would say, a decent amount on the wheels and the tire. Now, ideally you will spray it like this, spray all four wheels. By the time you're back, it will be 30 seconds, which is the minimum amount of time you need to leave this product on the wheel. Then you will agitate it with a wheel brush, which I have right now. If you don't have one, it says on the bottle you can use a microfiber towel to do that, which is definitely another option. Not everybody has all the tools. As you start cleaning your cars, I still don't have all my tools, but slowly I will have all my products. So I'm waiting just for 30 seconds. I have actually a timer here on my GoPro, so it's about to hit 30 seconds. I'm gonna agitate everything and then we're gonna spray it down. It doesn't say that you have to spray it down with a pressure washer. You just need some kind of moderate power, I guess, even like a hose with some kind of a spray tip that would work. Here you can see all the dirtiness already going down because the product is definitely like red-ish, and these here you can see it's not red running down, means it's actually working. let's see how it is when we rinse it off. Look how dirty. Look how dark that water is. That's darker than usual. Means it's actually doing its thing. Well, so far everything seems to be working fine, so I don't see any flaws in it. I will do a video in the future when my wheels are extremely dirty, because right now they're not. Hopefully you can see me. It's a little bit dark here in the shades. It's actually 100 degrees right now here outside in North Texas, in case you didn't know. But so far it's looking good. So I'm gonna wash the car today, not with the ceramic shampoo. I'll be doing that in a future video, a video or two from now. I have a special video for my next upload for next week. It will be a great one. Stay tuned for that. Okay guys, the car is nice and clean behind me. Now it's time to put PTR on this pad. This pad I actually got it from Adam's Polishes. I've been using it for a good 3 years now. This is every year I kind of buy. One of them broke, the other one actually I lost it for some reason. I think I may have thrown it away. So this is actually my third one. Very good. Link will be down into the description. Now PTR, plastic, trim and rubber. Now we got rubber on the wheels, on the tires I mean, and we got plastic trims all down on the car. Okay, first of all, the bottle is new, pretty handy. They have this lid to pull this plastic off. So let's put this back on, and we need to shake before use. We're gonna put some on the pad, and we're gonna do half the wheel. As you guys can see, does the magic. So far, zero complaint. I'm gonna finish everything and do a quick little montage how everything turned out to be. My initial review, first time using this product, I'm amazed with how dry and clean the rubber stays after I clean the wheels with the ultimate wheel cleaner. And I'm extremely happy for the way the tire shines using the PTR. Man, that PTR, I'm gonna put a little clip here how you can see how it cleans the spoiler and everything. Look at the shine, and suddenly not that shiny anymore. Now that I officially use the product, I would say thumbs up. Vvash Autocare.com. If you want to save 15% on your purchase, you can use promo code 297mods at checkout, and you'll help me, you'll help them, and you're gonna help your ride to be shining. So I'll be doing more product reviews from them. I'm officially sponsored by them now. You will find actually a link down into the description and on my description on bio on Instagram. So one more time, 15% off your purchase if you use my promo code 297mods. Now if it's your first time watching my videos, please like, share, comment and subscribe. And there's something else you want to see, hit me up on Instagram, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Out.